everyone, I am super excited to be here. I have another book in print ready to go ahead and show you. So for those of you who don't like to print so much at home, this is a really awesome option. This is the French Boulevard collection, and I'm just going to go ahead and give you kind of a quick run through. So these papers are just beautiful. We have a ton of them, and these ones in the front are, I hope you can see that, like the detail in that is so pretty. Anyway, these ones in the front are pretty papers on both sides. So if you want to like do an envelope and you want it to be cool on one side, then you have that option. Then the flap, when you open it, will be beautiful still. So we have these that are pretty on both sides. And still flipping. I put tons in, and then we have some that I put neutral pages on the back. So that way, if you wanted to journal on the back, you have that option, and you just have something that's lighter that you can write on. I hope I'm not going too fast. I probably am. Anyway, then we come to a bunch of tags, and these are beautiful on the back as well. And then we also have some smaller tags that you can layer on top of these tags for journaling if you want. So there's that. I put lots of those in. Then some just smaller general tags. These cute hearts and labels I like to use for collage or little pockets. Some mini envelopes. It just drives me nuts how they don't come through right on camera, but hopefully you get the idea. These are just some extra little collage bits that you can add in. Hopefully you can see that. And then we have little tickets and tags, some pockets with some fun little labels that you can use. Envelopes, big envelopes, lots of big envelopes. Then we have some fun words and some blank word labels. And then I did those small as well. And then this is really fun. I have 10 pages of authentic French ephemera that I've kind of altered to match the kit colors. So when you cut them out, they'll be pretty, they'll have this old stuff on one side. So if you grunge that up and cut it out, it's gonna look like some fun, authentic ephemera. So anyway, that's what we have. I got tons of that in there, lots of options, and that was really exciting. I haven't done that before, but I thought that would be really fun for you guys. So anyway, that is what we have. So French Boulevard. I'll go ahead and link up below if you're interested, if you want a hard copy or want a fun idea for a gift for your crafty friend, then it'd be a way fun thing to just have ready to go. Everything you really need to make the whole junk journal is kind of right there. So anyway, there you go. Thank you so much. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate you and all of your support and your kind comments. And anyway, you guys are awesome. So thank you so much, and I hope you all have such a lovely day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.